ESC 2075 Group C question number 14. Find the HCF of PQ plus 4P square Q plus 4PQ square, comma, P4 plus 8PQ3 and 3P4 plus P cube Q minus 10P square Q square. So we have to find the HCF, that means highest common factor. So now let's begin with the solution. So here our first expression is PQ plus 4P square Q plus 4P Q square. So from here let us take P as common. It becomes P square plus 4PQ plus 4Q square. From here what you can do is P is common here, so this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's see, p square plus 2 into a is p, so it's in the form of p square plus 2 into p into 2q plus 2q whole square. Now p is outside here. This is in the form of p square plus 2p into 2q plus 2q square, that is a plus b whole square. That means it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which equals to a plus b whole square. So we can write here, instead of a we can write p plus, instead of b that is 2q, so 2q whole square. Even further we can break this one as p plus 2q into p plus 2q. So this is our first expression. Now let's factorize the second expression. So our second expression is p4 plus 8p cube cube. Now, similarly here, the same way we can take p as common. It becomes p cube plus 8q 3 8q cube. Now p into, this is in the form of like a cube plus b cube. Let us see here, this is in the form of p cube plus 2q cube. So here p into, we know that since a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is our formula. We can write in this same fashion, a plus b into a square minus a into b. B is our 2q. B plus b square. B square is 2q square. So we can write, we can remove this one, and we can add curly bracket. Now it becomes p into p plus 2q into p square minus 2pq plus 4q square. Now let us factorize third expression. Third expression, which is 3p4 plus cube q p cube q minus 10 p square q square minus 10 p square q square. From here we can see that p square is the highest common we can take here, so it becomes here 3p square plus p cube minus 10 q square. Now let us further factorize this expression. Now for this one, let's see how we can factorize. So 3 into 10 is 30, right? So 30. So 2 15 times is 30. 3 5 times is 30. So 3 to the 6, so it's 5. So 6 and 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. This is minus here, so we'll subtract. So it becomes your p square 3p square. So we can write pq as 6 p cube minus 5 pq, because this here is minus, so we'll add minus, and the remaining one 10 q square. Further p square, so 3p square plus 6p cube. So in between these two expressions we can see here 3p is common, so let us write it curly bracket. 3p is common, so we can write 3p is common, and remaining one is p plus here p, here 2q minus, among these two expressions we can see here 5 minus 5q is common, so the remaining one is p minus minus plus and then 2q. So when writing the final expression for third one, that is p square, here is common factor p plus 2q, and the remaining one is 3p minus 5q. So we have obtained all the three expressions. So let us write all the three expressions together. So we'll write here first expression answer, second expression answer, that is factor, and then third expression factor, right? So our first expression is p into p plus 2q into p plus 2q. So we'll write it here, p into p plus 2q into p plus 2q. So this is our first. And second one is p into p plus 2q into p square minus 2pq plus 4q square. So we'll write here p into p plus 2q into p square minus 2pq plus 4q square. P square minus 2pq plus 4q square. Let me erase this and write after this line. So our third one is this one. Final expression, p square p plus 2q 3p minus 5q. Among all these three expressions here, you can see. Now before that we should explain what is SCF. SCF, that is highest common factor, means the common factors among the three expressions. Common factors. So among them here you can see p is common here, here p is common, here p is common, so p is common. Here one, what is this? P plus 2q. Here is p plus 2q, here is p plus 2q, here is p plus 2q. So this is also common, p plus 2q. Is there any common? P plus 2q, this already here, no. So the maximum common factor is p into p plus 2q. This is our highest or the maximum common factor. So this is our SCF, which is our final answer. Thank you.